Our reporter Wu Bin spoke to one of this year's new champions, the CEO of Black Lake Technologies. The company's production management software is now used by nearly 40,000 factories around the world.
Well, thank you very much for joining us. So AI is such a buzzword at the Summer Davos 2026, and you just participated in a forum called What's the Limit for AI First Enterprises? So what did you share at the forum?
Over the past 12 months, we've seen that AI has moved from the underlying model layer to real industrial applications. So at this afternoon's forum, I mainly shared Black Lake's explorations over the past year, specifically the native intelligent agents we developed, including industrial AI agents. 2 years ago, we thought that this wave of AI would primarily benefit small and medium-sized enterprises. And it's true based on our observations for the past 12 months. As AI enters vertical applications, SMEs use AI most frequently and deeply, outperforming large enterprises.
Let's now move on to your enterprise. You started Black Lake Technologies in 2016 by providing digital solutions to mostly small and medium-sized factories. And you personally went to those factories, such as those factories in Suzhou, to talk about their needs. So what did they require back then, and how that picture has evolved?
Back in 2016, when we founded our company, we already saw that a number of enterprises were looking to transition toward a new, more flexible manufacturing model. So from 2016 to 2022, we focused largely on exploring how digital technologies could help companies become more agile. Then, when large language models emerged in 2023, we quickly to initiate internal projects about AI agents, while the rest of the industry was still discussing multimodality. The industrial agent products we've incubated is essentially designed to free up human brain power.
Last October, you participated in a conference hosted by Premier Li Qiang and shared about your findings in the industry. And now, several months passed, what are some of the latest changes in the industrial sector? And what does AI bring to your company and to those small and medium-sized factories?
For example, many SMEs in China do not have their own brands. They are predominantly OEMs, which means they handle a huge volume of drawings every day. In the past, these small factories relied on the experience of master workers to interpret those drawings. Now, one of our agent products helps these factories read drawings directly. What would take half a day can now be completed in just 1 minute at the drawing analysis stage, and within a few minutes, the system generates the requirements for production based on that drawing. It achieves an accuracy rate of nearly 97%, approaching the level of an experienced master worker. If it wasn't for AI, it would take another 10 to 20 years to close the gap in flexible manufacturing. But now, with the emergence of intelligent agents, the accumulation of knowledge and experience no longer depends on human effort, so China will quickly keep pace. In my view, the drive toward flexible manufacturing will accelerate even further over the next 3 years.